To withdraw USDT from an exchange, start by logging into your account on the exchange platform where your USDT is held. Ensure you have enabled two-factor authentication to secure your account. Navigate to the Wallet or Assets section, where you can view all your held cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Next, locate the USDT and click on it to open its detailed page. Here, you will find options to deposit, withdraw, or trade USDT. Select the withdraw option to proceed with the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to enter the withdrawal address. This is the address where you want to send your USDT. It is crucial to ensure the address is correct and it supports USDT, as sending it to the wrong address may result in loss of funds. You can find the correct address in your external wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Copy the address carefully and paste it into the withdrawal address field on the exchange. After entering the address, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Be aware of the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits set by the exchange, as well as any applicable fees. The fees may vary depending on the exchange and the network congestion. Once you have entered the address and amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If all information is accurate, confirm the withdrawal. Depending on the exchange, you may need to go through additional security checks or wait for a short period before the withdrawal is processed. The USDT will then be sent to your specified address. The time it takes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain may vary, but it is usually a matter of minutes. After the transaction is confirmed, you can view your USDT in your external wallet. Best practices include regularly checking the exchange's terms and fees, keeping your account and wallet secure, and being cautious when entering withdrawal addresses to avoid errors. By following these steps and being mindful of the details, you can safely and efficiently withdraw USDT from an exchange.